all it is. Okay. No, I just show first. Let's I show first. Then you can tell me. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. I showed dinosaurs. So first this dinosaurs is very uncommon. Okay, so we are making first. We are making one oval for head. We are making one oval for head. I am making first oval for head, and then another oval for body. This is a big oval. Okay. And add this oval 1, 2. Make it first this first oval for body, this oval for head. And another. Who's telling this? Yeah, this is dinosaur. This is the tail. Like a S. Like a S. Like a tail, like a S. Okay. Done that much? Take time. Nandini beta. Done beta? Yes, good. Ishani done? Oh. Belleri done. Srinanda done. Yeah. Samnavi sister name? Samnavi sister? Bhargavi? Raghavi done beta? Okay. So now I do this one thing, the leg. This leg also same. This leg also same. One leg, two leg. Okay, and make three leg, and make it here bigger. One leg, two leg, three leg, four leg. Take time. You don't know? I just erasing after that this line, this line, this circle. Let's check what is. You think? Okay, first make this leg 1. Okay, that second thicker leg. So you can join this and make it like this. See, this is thicker, a little bit of thicker like this. 1, 2, and the leg is like this. 1, 2. Simple. Okay. Yeah. Next leg 1, 2, and make it thicker. Okay. Initially I erasing this leg. Initially I erasing this leg. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Fine. And another leg very small, you can see the back side like this. 1, 2, 3. So we can make a 4 leg. Aram se take time. Oh, you can draw, won't draw. After that, after this drawing, we are making only just pencil sketching. I do. Just sketching it, huh? Wow! For sure. Okay, I make this just little like one yeah, I wait. I wait. Dancer means I am not dancer. Oh, dancer. I see that. I think you want to tell dancer. Tick tack, tick tack, tick tack. So I starting the dancing. Oh, I feel dance, sir. So I try to dance. Okay, it's fun, honestly. Okay, next tips. Can I go ahead? Next tips now. Okay, so go ahead. Just done like one mouth like this. 1, 2. Yeah, and like this. Do the mouth like this. Okay. What animal? Triceratops. Even a horn to dinosaur is so. And after that make it make the horn like this. Make the 2 horns. See this horn over here. 1, 2. 2 horn over here. And here make a more horn 1. Rhino. It is a yeah, it is the middle of it. Yeah. Okay, make it the mouth like this first. Aram se take time. Yes. Dinosaurs is little tough, I hope so. You guys are feel it is difficult little? Bellary? Yes, beta. Is it little difficult or I can go easy more? Yeah, it's little difficult now. I feel that. No problem. Beta. Next drawing I do more easy. Yeah. Yeah. Dishani, can you show beta yours? Dishani? Okay, nice try. I know this leg is little difficult for this. I make it little easy. I make it little easy this leg, okay? I hope you can feel little tough this leg. Actually, dinosaur. Yes, Raghavi, your dinosaur is good. Make simple leg like this. It's not difficulties, okay? Make it simple. Okay, fine. If you done, then fine. Some students I feel difficult, so I make it little easier. Trisha, is it difficult, beta? Show your drawing, Trisha. Dhani, show, beta. One second. Wow, very good. Dhani is the smallest student. Yes. Trisha, show, beta. Very nice. Srinanga, very good, beta. Shraddha, fantastic, Shraddha. Shraddha, very good. Okay. One thing I do. Very nice. Sinanda, very nice. Make a cap on head like this. 1, 2. This cap on head. This is something horn kind of actually, but it's like this. Make first like this and then 1, 2, 3. If you do dinosaurs, then you can draw any animals. Because dinosaurs is little tough, but you guys are doing very well. Yes. After that, we are doing anything else. I make it little scenery. I make it little scenery to this pencil sketching in this drawing because no color, only the drawing. So yeah, we make little bit of grasses like this. Okay. We make the land. We make land like this. Okay. We make a tree. We make a tree like this. This time tree also different. This tree like this. Very simple tree like this, flower kind of. Yeah, baby, right. You can make something tree like this. Make tree like this, okay. So it's becoming scenery. It looks like a scenery. After finish this drawing, you can create any one, your own drawing, your own imagination. Okay, very good. Very good. Please show it up. Okay. Nandini done beta? Nandini Shana? Yeah. So, Brian's brother. Wow, is it Brian? Your brother is doing this? Oh my God, this is really great. So, wow, that's really great. It's awesome. Yeah. Now, very good. Very good. Very nice, beta. Now I can draw. Yeah, Dishani, fantastic, beta. Now I draw your own drawing. Nandini, show beta yours. Yeah. Shamnavi's sisters, your name Ragvi. Yeah, your name beta? No, Samnavi's sisters. Ragvi can show little close. Yes, I can see. Ragvi, very good beta. Now can draw your own drawing, your own imagination. You have it 15 minutes time. You can make some scenery. Hani beta, make some scenery or dinosaurs or flower, whatever you want. Make the next 15 minutes. Very good, Nandini. Nandini makes your own drawing. Now makes your own drawing. Own imagination, any scenery or flower or cartoon, whatever. I want to see your drawing. Yes, Trisha beta, very good. It's a fine, honestly. Nandini, make a scenery, your own ideas.